Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will teach you how to remove close friends on the Instagram highlight. So if you want to remove, watch this video till the end, and if this video really helps you out, do subscribe to my channel. So let's start the video. First of all, you have to open your Instagram, and I will go to profile, and from here I will simply select a story. As you can see on the right top, close friend list is showing. You have to click on the edit your close friend list. So let's suppose I have only one friend right here, and this is basically my close friend, and I want to remove this person from the close friends on the Instagram highlight. So simply I will uncheck this and click on the done. So once you will do it, this person will be removed from your close friends on the Instagram highlights. So this is the simple way to solve this problem. Hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any question or any confusion, just drop a comment. I will try to help you. Thank you.